Good evening, folks, and thanks for your time. My name's Tim, and I'm coming to you from a small little group called Uber Games. We're a bunch of guys that not only do we like playing games, but we also like to make stuff for games. We started off as a small collaboration group building utilities for the Quake 3 engine, and ever since then, we've been going on to making greater and greater things. Maybe one day, we might actually make a game of our own. I guess we'll see. Anyway, so, the thing I'd like to pitch to you tonight is a little project I started working on at the end of last year. I'm very curious to know what you'd think about it. Okay. Gamer cards. I don't know about you, but I love gamer cards. I love the social aspect about them. I think it's safe to say that gaming is a very communal thing, and with that, I think gamer cards are a great way to help reinforce your own online presence, keep up with your friends' progress in their games, and even make some new ones at the same time. Oh yeah, and the smack talk and bragging rights. Can't forget about them, right? The problem is, not many services actually offer gamer cards. In fact, I only know one. But more and more services now starting to offer their gamer data through APIs, and I bet that's something we could use. So, with that in mind, here's my little project. I call it UberCard. Simply put, UberCard is a gamer card engine. It's not targeted at any one game service, but more to serve as a framework on which any gaming service could be incorporated. I mean, if you think about it, the process of creating a gamer card is a pretty standard series of steps. Of those steps, the only ones that would actually change between gaming services would be the processes of dealing with the actual API input and then moving that to the database, and then the actual rendering of the card itself. The rest is actually pretty constant. To that end, UberCard has been designed so these particular processes are completely isolated and can be swapped out at will. The end result would be a singular engine capable of concurrently managing multiple gaming services and then within that, multiple themes for every gamer card. Best of all, UberCard will be open source. So if any game developers would like to feature a gamer card service for their own games, they wouldn't have to reinvent the wheel. UberCard is about 80% complete at this point. Once it's done, it'll be a freely available service from the Uber Games website, and I'll be releasing the source code on GitHub under the MIT license. So that's my pitch. I hope you liked it, and I'd love to hear what you thought about it. If you'd like to get in touch with me, you can fire a tweet at me at Tim Oliver with a 0 instead of the O. Or, if you're too cool to tweet, you can also find the rest of my contact details on my vCard site, which is oliver.vg. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, thanks for your time, and have an awesome weekend. I'm gonna go get drunk now.